The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Hello, everyone. Just off towards our west is our next cold front that's going to bring us rainfall. Right this minute, bringing rain very slowly towards the east. This replay is the last 4 hours or so, but we'll go ahead and pause that. And I'll draw on the cold front just so you can see a little bit more specifically where it's at. Not too much that's happening with it right this minute other than just marching along pretty consistently, stretching well down not only to where the rain is, but down towards Mississippi as well. So that extra energy is going to come right our direction as we get into the next couple of days. But a lot of the heavier rain is going to carry a little bit further towards the north. So even though we are going to get some showers here and there, it's not going to be nearly as impressive rain-wise as what some spots further north are going to have. Now, to switch this over to the accumulations from the last 24 hours so we can see just how much rain has fallen with the front in spots like Illinois and into Iowa. It's been pretty handy, but not exactly impressive. Nothing that's going to get any of those zones outside of a drought condition. A little bit more as you get up into Michigan. We'll go ahead and take some samples with the query here. Looking through parts of Illinois, accumulations towards 0.7 inches. Parts of Missouri down towards the southeast around Cape Girardeau are up 0.8 inches, and then 0.7 in northern Arkansas as well. For that little piece of Michigan, if we can get it inside the yellow there, that's a little bit more than 2 inches over that same time frame, and even more falling in Texas with some of the severe weather that they had. None of those accumulations are going to be nearly as impressive as it gets towards us. Let's go ahead and go straight to Future Tracker through Friday morning when we have a couple showers here and there, but it really takes until the afternoon for those to spread out. And spread out is kind of a generous term here. Lots of isolated showers here and there, but none of us are getting a whole big line of consistent rain like what we're seeing in Ohio right now. By 8 p.m., we do have a few more showers, even some spots of moderate rain in the NRV, and then that starts to ease off as we get towards midnight. Past then, there's not a whole lot left over. Technically, there are still rain chances until 7 a.m. on Saturday, but we'll start to clear out, and there's very little rain expected for the weekend. The couple of spots where we might get more than a tenth of an inch of rain or towards Blacksburg. Again, that Pulaski, Montgomery County range is building up a little bit more, but I still think it stays at 0.2, 0.3, and that's all the way through Saturday into the noon hour. And then just a little bit towards the southwest of Smith Mountain Lake might stack up a little bit more. Temperature-wise, we are going to lose quite a bit of heat as that cold front comes through. We go from temperatures in the 70s and even some 80s for Friday. It's going to be pretty similar to today since the cold front hadn't quite passed through yet. So that'll keep Saturday in the 60s, NRV at 60, Roanoke at 64. Sunday's even cooler with the NRV and Highlands in the 50s, and the rest of us barely making it over the 60 mark in the afternoon. On top of that, we have winds that are going to pick up. We are above 50 for a lot of the day, so we're not to the point where wind chill's really an issue, but it is going to be cool for Saturday and Sunday morning. And with wind gusts up towards 30, 40 miles per hour, definitely going to notice it. A jacket will be handy, especially one that can stop the wind. Overnight, we have building clouds. Even though a lot of us have a good amount of cloud cover right now, we'll see more and more of those going towards tomorrow morning with pretty overcast skies by the time you wake up on Friday. Blacksburg at 54, Danville at 57. Temperatures are stuck in the 70s because of clouds tomorrow. Blacksburg at 71, Alta Vista 77. It's more, can't get quite to the same point than a whole lot cooler. There's not a lot of cool air coming in on Friday yet. It's really Saturday when that takes over. That's why your temperatures fall to the 50s and 60s. Pulaski 58, Danville at 66, and South Boston out at 70. On the extended forecast, temperatures are going to hold pretty steady for both Saturday and Sunday, right around that 60 mark. But Monday, they do start to improve. We get some sunshine there. The weather starts to calm down. There's a couple showers on the forecast for Monday, but they're less than impressive. Accumulations are going to be less than what we have this weekend. Then temperatures start to rise back to the 70s, mid-70s by Wednesday and for Thursday. Lows are also improving. It's going to be cool Sunday. We might even get some frost there, but we'll be a lot nicer by Thursday.